Yes!
I'm gonna beat everybody. John!
Bitch wearing my hat.
It's too large. It's like on the back of my neck.
Yeah, no kidding.
Oh, you're taking video.
Because your head's small. No, I'm not taking a video. I'm taking a photo. Grass.
Video.
Obviously not.
Why are you taking a video?
Papa!
Why are you taking a video?
I don't know.
So gangster.
Because I'm going to put this on YouTube.
He's taking a smack.
That is an award-winning picture. Yeah!
My glasses back.
Oh. Nice glasses.
Get my glasses. Get up, damn it. Get up. No. What? You?
Wow. Fish got grass in my hat.
I got the glasses. Yeah.
So many events happening. What do I do?
Come on, get up.
Hat toss. Oh, Phil.
Hey, watch the wall.
Hey, it's Olga.
I feel like an idiot.
Ah.
Do you feel like an idiot? I'm talking my hat. I'm actually trying to go on my hat.
Guys, you want
Go.
to
Yeah. That's my hat. Look at that. It's on the ground.